guy's literally growing a family. You're going to want to season this to your heart's content. It's good to eat a colourful diet, people. Hi everyone, and welcome to On The Menu with me, Caroline. I make food and fitness content, so today we are combining the two and we're going to be making some high protein meal prep lunches for the week. Now today we are going to be meal prepping some takeaway inspired chicken thighs. So these are going to be chicken kebab flavour chicken thighs. And we are also going to be prepping some vegetables to go alongside the meat as well. So we are going to be doing some roasted Brussels sprouts and also some roasted cubed potatoes, that being some white potato and some sweet potato. I also normally do taco mince as another meat option. However, the beef mince was gone off. Okay, so without further ado, let's make a high in protein lunch for the week. Here I've got some chicken thighs. These are boneless, skinless chicken thighs, which I've just prepared. And then we're going to use some of this Schwartz rapid takeaway kebab seasoning. And I'm just going to put this on and let it marinate. I really like this seasoning because it has a really nice well-rounded flavour. It's not spicy or anything, and it does remind me of kebab, you know, with like cumin, paprika, that sort of vibe. So you can do this as a dry seasoning, or you can add some water or some yogurt if you wanted to make it a little bit saucy and make it cover nice evenly. I'm just going to pour a little bit of water on. I tend to do this with most of my seasonings. I've got a glove. Get all of the seasoning in. Now I do like using packet mixes just because they tend to have a nice even quantity of all of the spices, and I'm not doing some getting work or but you would have seen in my previous videos that I do tend to make my own spice mixes too. So I've been switching up a bit by using chicken thighs, just because chicken breast can get a bit samey and can get a bit dry, you know. And so some chicken thigh offers different texture, and also the meat is moist and flavourful. You can leave this to marinate and cover it, pop it in the fridge for a couple of hours and then bake it. Or you can just put it straight into the oven. I've just lined my baking tray with some parchment paper. There we go. Now I can pop these in the oven to bake. Here I have some sweet potatoes. I've got white flesh sweet potato and also some normal sweet potato. We are just going to be using the normal sweet potato today, and also some white potatoes too. I've really been enjoying eating sweet potato. Adds like a different, you know, level of flavour to normal potatoes. Using 2 whole bags, so 2 kg worth of potatoes. Okay, let's wash these. Okay then team, you have seen me do this before countless times. Let's cube and chop these potatoes. Oh, this guy's literally growing a family. Let's remove the root. So what I do is I normally just halve them and then quarter them like so. Now, if you really wanted them to be crispy, then I would recommend you dry these thoroughly. Also, don't judge my knife skills. It is what it is. So, you're going to want to season this to your heart's content. I'm going to use some avocado oil. And then I've also got some harissa seasoning here. This is from Aldi. And I just eyeball this. So this is going to be our first batch. try and put it on the baking tray as evenly as possible, but we have got quite a bit to pack on. Okay, now this can bake at the same time as the chicken. I want the chicken to brown first, so that's why it's on the top shelf, and then I've got the potatoes just sitting underneath. I will rotate these over, but I do everything by eyeball rather than times because yeah, that's just the way I cook. I've also got some Brussels sprouts to prepare as well. We will be roasting these today. Just gonna trim and then chop these in half and then give these a good wash as well. The Brussels sprouts have now been trimmed and also washed. Now I'm just gonna halve them and then we'll season them. Ready for roasting. Guys, that took about half an hour to prepare all of these Brussels sprouts, 750 grams worth. But hey, it's gonna be worth it. And I'm gonna take some avocado oil again, as we are going to be roasting these. And then some salt and pepper. Again, to your heart's content. I don't think Himalayan rock salt is that salty. And then some black pepper. There we go. This can be nice and simple, doesn't have to be complicated. Roasted Brussels sprouts are really tasty in my opinion. This is after 20 minutes, so what I'm going to do is just turn these around. There we are. The chicken has had half an hour in the oven baking. This is what they're looking like. Still quite juicy. But I like it when it's like crispy on the edges. And then what I'm going to do is use the same baking tray. And then I'm going to put the potatoes on this. The second batch. Oh, this is going to make really nice gyros. Right, and there is one batch of the potatoes done. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to let these cool and then I'm going to use this tray for the Brussels sprout. Look at the beautiful colours. It's good to eat a colourful diet, people. There we are. Here's the Brussels sprouts all done. And then here's our second batch of potatoes. Now, honestly, I tend to eat the same meals every single week, day in, day out. For work, it's just simple, it's easy. I know that I'm going to be getting my protein. I know I'm going to be getting my fibre. I generally eat a high in protein and high in fibre diet because I'm quite active, although I have an office job. But I still like to get all of my nutrients in from real foods. Not to say that I don't have sweet treats here and there, because I definitely do. I still eat junk food and that's absolutely fine. It's normal. All right, and that is us prepped for the week. If you like watching these kind of videos, please do let me know. Give me a comment and also let me know what you've meal prepped for the week as well, because I need some inspiration too. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more from me.